Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the compatible iPad and Apple Pencil paired. Now start. Open Notes or any text field and tap to focus where you want text. Once done, write naturally with the pencil. The system converts handwriting to type text in line. Make sure Scribble is enabled in Settings Apple Pencil. If handwriting doesn't convert, lift and retap the text area, then write again more deliberately. Small, connected strokes are interpreted more accurately. You write directly into the field and iPad converts in real time. Write whole words or short phrases. Once you finish a word, pause briefly to let conversion settle, then continue. To edit, use gestures, scratch through to delete, draw a vertical line to join, or circle to select. Tap a converted word to get replacement suggestions and punctuation options. If selection feels off, slow your strokes and use the pencil to drag selection handles for precise edits. This improves recognition significantly. Finish by reviewing converted text for punctuation and spacing. You can copy, share, or export typed results as usual. Make sure to tap into a field when you need fresh input. Scribble focuses on the active area only. If characters or gestures misbehave, try toggling Scribble off and on in settings, or force close the app and reopen it. That simple reset clears temporary recognition errors. If problems persist, check pencil battery and iPad OS updates before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.